Are you tired of always saying bad? Maybe you did like to try some new English vocabulary word instead. Using new vocabulary might not make you more popular or happier, but it probably will make you smarter and also improve your ability to communicate, which can lead to many other good things. Today, we are going to learn a lesson about alternatives to bad, and you will find there are suitable example given against every alternatives, so you can learn from that. So let's not wait any further, start with these alternatives with examples. The first alternative is poor. The food was of very poor quality. She has been in poor health for some time now. The cottage was in poor physical condition. It was raining heavily and visibility was poor. The work was of an extremely poor standard. He makes some pretty good decisions throughout the novel. Many health problems are related to poor diet and sedentary lifestyles. The next alternative to bad is miserable. We were cold, wet, and thoroughly miserable. Don't look so miserable. She knows how to make life miserable for her employees. We got home feeling tired and miserable, feeling utterly miserable about his exams. The miners came past with their tired and miserable faces. The next alternative might be rotten. I have had a rotten day. What rotten luck! She is a rotten singer. I am rotten at maths. I am rotten at remembering names. That was a rather rotten trick. You rotten little swine. The next word is incompetent. The Prime Minister was attacked as incompetent to lead. I know my boss considered me incompetent. A grossly incompetent piece of reporting. She worked for years under an incompetent manager. The next word for bad can be awful. That's an awful color. They did not even offer to pay. Oh, that's awful. I feel awful about forgetting her birthday. There is an awful smell in here. The awful thing is, it was my fault. It sounds awful to say it, but the war was exciting. The weather conditions were just awful. It's awful, isn't it? The weather last summer was awful. My socks smell awful. We saw such an awful film last night that we left the theater before the end. Okay, the last alternative, or rather, the next alternative is unsatisfactory. The results were considered to be thoroughly unsatisfactory. He reflected on the unsatisfactory nature of his relationship with the school principal. It was an unsatisfactory conclusion to an otherwise profitable visit. The next word can be faulty. Ask for a refund if the goods are faulty. The retailers blamed faulty workmanship for the problem. The accident was caused by a faulty signal. I suppose her memory is a bit faulty. If the equipment is found to be faulty, you should return it immediately. The next word is unacceptable. Such behavior is totally unacceptable in a civilized society. Noise from the factory has reached an unacceptable level. Most people would consider such risk wholly unacceptable. Such a solution would be quite unacceptable to the majority of people. The cost of these proposed changes makes them unacceptable. There is nothing inherently unacceptable in this proposal. Raising taxes now would be politically unacceptable. The next word for bad can be defective. If the goods are defective, you should get a full refund. Her hearing was found to be slightly defective. The car was found to have defective brakes. Her vision is severely defective. She was born with defective hearing. If the goods prove defective, the customer has the right to compensation. Some defective organs can now be replaced. The next and one of the most used alternative of bad can be terrible. What terrible news! I have just had a terrible thought. It was a terrible thing to happen to someone so young. That's a terrible thing to say. It smells terrible in here. It must have been terrible to witness the accident. I thought something really terrible had happened. It must have been terrible for the survivors. Nothing were terrible, Nothing very terrible happened. He's had a terrible shock. How terrible for you! It was the night of that terrible storm. The next word can be pathetic. You cannot even run 2 miles? That's pathetic. You are almost 26 years old and you still cannot hold a real job. That's pathetic. She made a pathetic attempt to smile. I know it sounds pathetic, but I cannot ride a bike. You are pathetic. The whole thing is absolutely pathetic. What a pathetic coward. I felt like a pathetic loser. The next word for bad can be useless. This pen is useless. It's useless worrying about it. The quality ranged from acceptable to worse than useless. The condition rendered her legs virtually useless. The land is useless for cattle. There are 2 manuals, both of them equally useless. They rejected the design as useless. This drug is useless in the treatment of patients with AIDS. Critics argued that the space program was a useless waste of money. The latter is useless as evidence. The next word can be deficient. The diet is deficient in vitamin A. Their food is deficient in iron. Your diet is deficient in iron. Deaf people are sometimes treated as being mentally deficient. The next word for bad can be inferior. Modern music is often considered inferior to that of the past. Her obvious popularity made me feel inferior. His latter work was vastly inferior to his early work. These latter paintings are slightly inferior in value. Women are often regarded as inferior. The cracks in the structures were due to the poor quality material and inferior workmanship. The next word for bad can be inadequate. The system is inadequate for the task it has to perform. Inadequate to do something, the food supplies are inadequate to meet the need of the hungry. His wages were pitifully inadequate for the needs of his growing family. The helicopters are inadequate to the demands of modern combat. These precautions have been judged inadequate. The computer is clearly inadequate for my needs. They are blaming their failure on inadequate preparation. The last word can be lousy for bad. What lousy weather? I have had a lousy day. She felt lousy. The food here is really lousy. Say goodbye to bad and use the alternatives instead to improve your English vocabulary way beyond the basics. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel I Can Speak English. Everyone can speak English fluently and confidently if you have the right choice and varied choice of words. We all know English grammar, but still we are not fluent. Improve on your vocabulary, and this channel is dedicated for improving on your vocabulary only, which will be the key reason for your fluency in English. Wait for the next lesson. Thank you.